Hello and welcome to today's segment of our YouTube video series where we discuss scholarship for international students. In this video, we are going to take a look at the University of Urbino scholarship for international students. So, if you are interested to apply for a PhD program in Italy, then consider applying for this scholarship. We will take a look at the PhD programs that are under this scholarship, the number of open positions, and under this open position we are going to look at the places with scholarship. It is going to be a very competitive scholarship, so you are advised to apply as early as possible and also ensure you have good academic performance in order for you to stand a chance of getting this scholarship. If this is the first time of coming across our video, do ensure you smash the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive subsequent videos like this where we discuss scholarship for international students. Are you ready to pursue your PhD program in Italy on a fully funded scholarship? This is for you. The university is accepting application for PhD positions. This is an opportunity to join one of the top tier community supported by the European chapter for researchers. Alright, let's go through this page together. So as you can see on your screen, we have the call for access. And under this call, we have the PhD in biomolecular health sciences. We also have global studies, economics, society, and law. Also, we have the research method in science and technology. And the last here on the list, we have the humanistic studies. So what do we need to know about this scholarship? Under the biomolecular and health science, we have 9 places which are available for scholarship, of which 2 places reserved for candidates in possession of foreign qualifications. Out of the 9 places that are available for scholarship, 1 place is not open for scholarship, which means we have 8 places, and those 8, 2 will be reserved for international students. So international students have only 2 places that will be available for scholarship, which means 6 places out of 8 places that is open for application with scholarship, it will be awarded to only Italians. Then we have the global studies, economy, society, and law. 9 places with scholarship, and out of these 9, 1 places will be without scholarship, which means we have 8, and 2 out of 8 will be awarded to foreign applicants. So international students have only 2 slots for this: global studies, economy, society, and law. So next we have PhD research method in science and technology. The coordinator is Prof. Luca Lanci. Here we have 9 places, and out of these 9 places, only 1 place without scholarship, which means it will be self-funded by the candidate. So 8 places will be with scholarship, and out of 8 places, 2 will be reserved for international students. While last on the list is the PhD in humanistic studies. 9 places with scholarship and 1 place without scholarship, which means we have 8 with scholarship. Now, out of that 8, 2 will be awarded, which means 1 will be reserved for international students who study abroad under applying for communication science and data culture. 2 scholarships will be awarded in ancient text sciences, in which 1 will be reserved for international students. Here we have grants, 2 grants and 2 scholarships, which means this will not be applicable for scholarship to those who have studied abroad. So we have position without scholarship curriculum. We have the human science. We have PhD program in Department of Communication Science, Humanities and International Studies. 9 position with scholarship and 1 position without scholarship. The distribution of position with scholarship for the 4 curriculum. 1 will be awarded here, communication science and digital culture. 1 will be awarded 1 scholarship for Italians and 1 scholarship will be awarded for international students. This Scienza del Terzo article, we have 2 scholarships plus 1, which means 3, but out of the 3, only 1 will be awarded for foreign students. This historical science in contemporary age and human sciences, 2 scholarships, but it is only for Italian citizens. Position without scholarship, we have the curriculum human science, only 1 position. So looking ahead, we have the benefits for selected PhD scholars. One of the benefits is that full tuition fee will be covered, monthly stipend of approximately 1,200 euros will be applicable, additional funding for research mobility and exchange. Then we have access to top-tier labs, libraries, guidance from experienced faculty and participation in international academic networks. Next is to see more details about this. So let us assess the first one. So once you click on the C, once you click on this, it will redirect you to this page. So all you need to do is to scroll down and then click on how to apply step-by-step instruction. Click on this link and it will redirect you here. All you need to do is they mention some important information about this course. And as you can see, we have the deadline, which is 10th of June 2025, 1 p.m. Italian time. Then take note of this. The application procedure is completely computerized. You must also ensure that All documents uploaded in PDF format. Files must be named with the surname and the name of the candidate, description of the document, e.g. curriculum vitae, research project, passport. So if you are uploading the document online during your application procedure, during the application, so ensure that if you are uploading the CV, let it carry the title, curriculum vitae, research project, let it carry the title, research project. So it goes on and on like that. So one of the important thing is that your document should not be more than 30 MB, and all documents must be in PDF format. So this scholarship requires you to pay application fee, which is indicated here, payment of application fee to be able to submit your application. Now let's take a look at the eligibility requirements. The eligibility requirements include the following. You must hold a relevant master's degree or equivalent at the time of applying to the scholarship. You must have a strong academic record, just like I've mentioned earlier. International students are welcome to apply. For reserved positions, you must obtain your qualification abroad. You must study outside of Italy for you to be qualified for the reserved position. Then, English or Italian proficiency. Since most courses will be studied in English, if you can prove your English language proficiency, there might not be need for you to provide English language exams, just like either IELTS or any other acceptable exam certifications. But if you have the certification, you can apply with them, so it will give you an upper hand in your application. So I'm going to show you how to apply for this scholarship, which is a simple and straightforward application procedure. So in this page, we ask that you should visit this link. Let's visit this link. So I recommend you to use a Chrome browser or any browser that will allow you to change the language for easy understanding. So here we have, once we click on the link, it will redirect you here. So here we have the selection call for admission to the PhD program for the first cycle. So I'm just going to be direct here. So in order for you to apply, you can just click on manage your applications. So it will redirect you to this page. What you need to do is for you to click new registration. But if you have a login details, you can start by entering the information here, the username and the password. Then you click on new registration. So here it requires you to include your username, email address. You confirm your email address, enter password, confirm your password. Require you for name, surname and other details. Now for this tax code, the scholarship is also applicable to Italian students, so they are required to enter the tax code here, but for international students you just leave this blank. So you, after filling in your information, you tick in this and click on new registration. So I will not be detailed about the application procedure, but this is how to start the application. Let me quickly go through this. So this is the graphical illustration. It is also provided in the PDF, so you can download it as well, then follow the procedure. So as you can see, just like I showed you, you click on new registration, you fill in your details, then you click on new registration. So fill in your application form. After you log in into the platform, you click on manage your application, click on new submission. So to start filling your application, it will ask you to fill in your personal data and contact details. So this is where you'll be able to fill it. Save and continue till you complete your applications. So this is just the graphical illustration on how to go about applying. If you have questions about this scholarship, you can drop them in the comment section and attend to the questions.